For many, the dream of owning a log home is something that they have lived for many years. Something that they have nourished along the path of their life. A dream that they have worked hard for, and for a lucky few, a dream they were able to bring forth and share with the ones they cherish and love. Just as their dream had to be nourished and cared for to become a reality, their log home too needs proper care and attention in order to continue giving all of the wonderful memories and moments it can provide. And that is why we're here. Whether you'll be tackling the upkeep of your log home yourself or hiring a professional crew, knowledge is power. What we have prepared for you here in this video are the proper tools, techniques, materials, and methodology to properly protect and care for the exterior of your log home. Join us as Master Logsmith Chuck Hammerton, a 30-year log industry veteran, shares his insights into today's best ways to ensure your dream home becomes a legacy.